Hi beautiful, welcome back to the channel. I have a 15-minute tidy up to share with you. It is pretty late and I got ready because I'm gonna go and deliver a gift, but before I go, I have to clean up my bedroom, the sink area in my bathroom, and also wash some dishes. It's not a lot, but I still have to focus on those areas because then my house is gonna become wreck it apart again over the weekend. So I want to make sure that I do clean up that. And since it is only 15 minutes per room, hopefully I can do it in 15 minutes, which in my bedroom, it's not a lot because I just have to do the bed, and I'm still waiting for my bags for the vacuum. So I'm not going to be vacuuming again. And as you all know, I don't have a lot of furniture in my bedroom. So it's only the bed and the bathroom, so that will be enough with 15 minutes. And downstairs, obviously the dishes from breakfast and some of them that we left from last night. It's just becoming a bad habit that I have to cut it right now because otherwise it's just gonna become more obvious every single day. But it's just something that I have to work with, right? And also, this is a collaboration with Diana. She is also going to be sharing with us a 15-minute tidy up. So if you are in need of more cleaning motivation, go show her some love. Let her know that you are coming from me. And if you're coming from her channel, welcome. My name is Ana. I have a lot of cleaning motivation, everything that it's mom related, lifestyle, health, you will find in my channel. So if you are interested on any of that type of content, subscribe to the channel so you become part of the family and we can be a bigger and beautiful family. If you're a mommy, happy Mother's Day. I hope that you are having an amazing Mother's Day. I know that right now with everything that it's going on, it's really hard to like celebrate or even do something with our moms and stuff like that. But I hope that you are having an amazing day, and let's get started with the cleaning.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer.
Okay, so I decided to went downstairs in the kitchen first, and so that way I can start putting the dishes into the dishwasher, and hopefully by the time I got back I can take those out of the dishwasher because otherwise I will forget them. I did use the dishwasher to put some of the dishes. You guys can tell that I don't use the dishwasher that often because I literally wasn't able to put a lot of dishes in here. And plus, when I pushed the rack on the bottom, I hurt my finger and my nail. It bent halfway to the back. Plus, my nails are really soft, so I guess that's another problem too. But I try to put and fit as much as I could in the dishwasher so that way it could be less time since it was only 15 minutes. But you guys can see in here that it wasn't a lot of mess. It was just dishes, like I said, from night before and some of them from breakfast. But again, since I was gonna go and deliver a gift, so one of my best friends put me on a group to give out gifts to us women, and so I thought it was really cool, and I did adopted one person, so I went to the store and get, you know, the things to put a basket together and then deliver. So what it is that you go into their house. It doesn't have to be a person that we knew. It was only obviously people from the group, but you will choose one of the persons from the group, and then you will put together a basket like wine and things that they would like, and then you will go to their house, knock on the door, leave it on the porch or in the front door, and then just leave. I thought that was so cool, and I was like so happy that my friend put me into this group. And so that's what I did. I got ready and went to the store, put a basket together, and then deliver it yesterday. I wanted to deliver it to date on Mother's Day, but I just didn't know what plans they had, and obviously I didn't want for someone to grab the basket and just deliver it yesterday. And here's when I hurt my fingernail. It hurted so bad, and I mean, it doesn't hurt right now no more, but when I pushed that and my nail went to the back, like it hurt really bad, but I didn't want to think about the pain, and I just kept going. I'm gonna finish with the dishes and see if I am able to finish in 15 minutes. So time was up and I wasn't able to finish this in 15 minutes, but I still wanted to finish washing the dishes. Some of the dishes are still washing on the dishwasher, and obviously I'm gonna let air dry the rest. So at least by the time I get home, all the dishes are clean, and that way I can make some dinner with a clean kitchen.
You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know.
My timer went 8 more minutes from the 15-minute mark, so 23 minutes took me to clean the kitchen, which I had a lot of dishes. As you guys can see, if you had less dishes, obviously you will probably done it in 15 minutes, but I'm gonna go clean do my bed and clean my bathroom and see if I can complete those in less than 15 minutes to see if I can actually complete it in 30 minutes, right? So let's go and put that 15 minutes again.
Anyone, we get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're medicine. Yeah, I need you, you light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you.
And so for my room, I have been doing really good with making my bed in the mornings, but lately in the past week I just have neglected this area as well and just leave the bed the way it is, and I just need to get myself back on track and making sure that I do my bed first thing in the morning, because it really didn't took a long time. As you guys can see, it only took me 5 minutes to do my bed. So if I do that in the morning, I know that at least I complete something in my day of cleaning. So after I did my bed, came over here into the bathroom and start cleaning the sink area. Again, it wasn't a lot of mess in here, and on that area I can say that I am doing much better because I have been on top of like putting my things away or my makeup when I'm done. And I will be washing my makeup brushes and my sponge, so that way I can have it ready for the following day. I do like to get ready even though we are home every single day, but I still want to get ready every single day, so that way, you know, I can feel more alive, I guess. So yeah, that's why I wanted to wash those and just be on top of them, so I won't be collecting them, because there were some times where I just let all my makeup brushes collect dirt and don't wash them for like a full month, and then by the time I want to use clean makeup brushes, I don't have any, and I literally have to wash them all.
Weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do?
Okay guys, so I was able to finish my bedroom and the bathroom in 15 minutes. I did pass 1 minute because I did wash my makeup brushes, but I did complete my tasks. In the kitchen was a different story because it took me 23 minutes to finish all, but you guys saw that it was a lot of dishes. So I hope you enjoyed this motivation. I hope that you again have a wonderful Mother's Day, and if you did like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not part of the family already, because if you made it all the way to the end, that means that you like the video and you want to become part of the family, right? Don't forget to go and show Diana some love and let her know that I did send you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.